Welcome back to Katie Quiz, brought to you by GBU Life. It is now time for the Katie Quiz speed round. We have 10 questions prepared for each team, but each team only has 60 seconds to answer as many of these questions as they can. We award 10 points for a correct answer. There's no deductions for incorrect answers, and you're all going to be competing under the same theme, and that theme today is finish the sentence. So you just finish the sentence. And up first, we have our team from Southside High School, and we are going to start your 60-second clock in 3, 2, 1. When receipts exceed expenditures, there is a budget
deficit.
No. A presidential candidate who is the backing of delegates from his home state is a favorite
Son.
Unauthorized use of something copyrighted is called copyright
Infringement.
An inflammation of a band of fibrous tissue connecting muscle to bone is called
Pass.
A group of rebels on Sri Lanka are called the Tamil.
Tigers.
In the 15th century, the Mongols attempted to synthesize the cultures of the Hindus and
Chinese.
No. Small-scale current of rising air in the atmosphere is called
Draft.
In dropping from higher energy levels to a lower one, the electron of a hydrogen atom emits
Energy.
No. The frequency of the tone produced by the pipe in a pipe organ varies inversely. And time is up. With that, you got 4 correct in that round. That means you added 40 points to your score, taking you up to 265 points. Nice job, Southside High School. Up next is our team from Canon-McMillan. And Canon-McMillan, you are going to be competing under the same category. Finish the sentence. And we are going to start your 60-second clock in 3, 2, 1. Viscous drag is the force that retards a solid moving through a
liquid.
Your net worth is the dollar amount by which the total value of all your assets exceeds your
Loss.
No. When an ice skater in a pirouette flings her arms outward to slow her revolution, there is no change in her angular
Momentum.
It is important to catch and confine any animal that has bitten someone so that it can be evaluated for
Rabies.
The southernmost state that borders the Chesapeake Bay is
Virginia.
The infection of one or more of the sinuses is called
Sinus infection.
No. An advanced medical student undergoing supervised practical training is called an
Graduate student.
No. Blood leaves the liver through the inferior. And time is up. With that, you too were able to add 40 points to your score there, taking you up to 55 so far on the day. Next up, we have our team from Armstrong High School. And Armstrong, you two are going to be finishing the sentence, and we are going to start your 60-second clock in 3, 2, 1. You may jumpstart a vehicle with the use of jumper
Cables.
To have excellent food and drink is to feed on ambrosia and
Wine.
no. In a trial, it is the responsibility of the prosecution to present the burden of
Guilt.
no. A millibar is a unit of atmospheric
Pressure.
The German-American physicist who invented the interferometer in 1881 was Albert
Einstein.
No. Compound sentences must contain 2 independent
Clauses.
American POWs gave the Hoa Lo prison in North Vietnam the nickname Hanoi
Hotel.
Huey Newton, Bobby Seale, along with the Bagheera of the Jungle Book were all black.
Panthers.
Mass multiplied by acceleration due to gravity equals
Force.
no. Coolidge said, if you don't have anything, or if you don't say anything, you won't be called upon to
Answer.
no. And time is up. With that, you answered 5 correctly. That means you added 50 points to your score, taking you up to 120 so far on the day. Nice job, Armstrong. And after the Katie Quiz speed round, we never like to slow it down, so let's jump right into math time. In this round, we have 2 math-based questions for each team. 20 points is awarded for a correct answer. We deduct 20 points for any incorrect answers given in this round. First up will be our team from Southside High School. And Southside, here's your first math time question. Find the third partial sum of the series shown.
3.
3 is correct. Very nicely done. And your second question, the graph shown represents a function. Is its inverse also a function?
No.
No, it is not. You just added 40 points to your score, taking you up to 305 so far on the day. Great job, Southside. Next up is our team from Canon-McMillan. What is the range of the function shown?
-infinity to 5.
Actually, the answer was greater than or equal to 0 on that one. Here's your next math time question. A special right triangle is shown. What is the length of C?
The square root of 200.
The square root of 200 is correct. And with that, you got one right, you got one wrong. Your score stays the same at 55 so far on the day. Armstrong, you are up next. Here is your first math time question. Give the number of terms and the degree of the polynomial shown.
One term and 1 degree.
That's actually 1 term and 2 degrees on that one. Your next question, what are the missing values in Pascal's triangle shown?
2 and 6.
2 and 6 is right. You got one right, you got one wrong. That means your score stays the same as well, with 120 points on the board for you. So after the math time round, here's how things shake out at the moment. In third place, we have Canon-Mac High School. Armstrong is in second, and Southside is currently in the lead with 305 points on the board. We have more or less, with some big points up for grabs, coming up next.
KD Quiz is brought to you by GBU Life, providing life insurance, annuities, and community support since 1892.